We will make smashed potatoes. We boiled the potatoes, fingerling potatoes. We put on the tray and we scratch with the fork or whatever, you can scratch. I finished to smash all potatoes. I'm cooking for 40 people today. 3.5 of potatoes, mashed potato. We're using now garlic. We have the garlic ready. Take the garlic and put in the processor, fresh garlic, and I keep in the olive oil. It's more easy for me when I need the garlic is ready. I put olive oil, enough olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil, please. We add the smoked paprika. Smoked paprika. We put here. Okay. It's ready to season it for the potatoes. We use the brush, silicone brush. Okay. And we put on top. Okay, this is the final result for when you put the garlic, paprika, smoked paprika, olive oil, salt and pepper. You brush every single potatoes and it's ready to put in the oven. It's ready for the oven. Okay, ready for the oven for cooking the potatoes, the beautiful potatoes. When you have the potatoes in the oven, we put in 350 Fahrenheit or 180 centigrades, okay? For 20 minutes. 20 minutes. It's ready to go. Final result. Look how beautiful look the potatoes. Smashed potatoes. Final result with extra virgin olive oil, fresh garlic, smoked paprika, salt and pepper. Beautiful.